Bismillah Rahman Rahim. In this video session, I am going to provide you multiple choice question of chapter number 7, that is entrepreneurship. At the end of the session, I will give you two challenging questions. Then you have to provide me the answer in the comment. Question number 1 is, what does it mean to be your own boss? Being unemployed, running your own business, working for someone else, managing other business. The correct option is running your own business. Question number 2. An entrepreneur is someone who only works for a salary, manage a charity, starts and run a business, invest in stock. The correct option is an entrepreneur is a one who start and run a business. Correct option is C. Question number 3. A key characteristics of entrepreneurs is fear of risk, dependence, innovation, and routine following. The correct option is innovation. That is option C. Question number 4 is, which of the following is a benefit of entrepreneurship? Option A is fixed salary. Option B is job security. Option C is flexibility and independence. Number 4, free vacations. The correct option is flexibility and independence. Question number 5. Which of the following is a risk in entrepreneurship? Daily transport, business failure, time management, office sharing. The correct option is risk is about a business failure. That is option B. Question number 6. What is a business plan? A summary of friends' opinion, a record of past companies, a written roadmap for a business, a financial donation. The correct option is a written roadmap for a business. That is option C. Question number 7. A good business plan includes daily to-do list, favorite brands, mission, goal and strategy, random predictions. The correct option is mission, goal and strategy. That is option C. Question number 8. What is startup capital? Profit earned, amount used to launch a business, bank interest, or advertisement fee? The correct option is amount used to launch a business. Which of the following is a fixed cost? Electricity, rent, raw material, water uses. The correct option is rent. That is option B. Question number 10. Variable cost depends on business name, sales volume, company address, business registration. The correct answer is sales volume. That is option B. Marketing is used to decorate the office, deliver product, promote the business, hire employees. The correct option is promote the business. That is option C. What does ROI stands for? Return of investment, rate of innovation, return on investment, record of income. The correct option is return on investment. That is option C. Question number 13. One source of startup funding is freelancing, crowd funding, group study, freeloading. The correct option is crowdfunding. That is option B. Question number 14. A pitch is a sales discount, short presentation to investors, music download, long speech. The correct option is short presentation to investors. Question number 15. Which skill is most essential for entrepreneurs? Singing, creativity, typing speed, or fourth option is PowerPoint design. The correct option is creativity. That is option B. Question number 16. The term break even refer to earning zero profit or loss, employee bonus, customer feedback, website errors. The correct option is earning zero profit or loss. Question number 17. Market research helps in copying competitors, reducing taxes, understanding customer needs, decreasing website traffic. The correct option is understanding customer needs. That is option C. Question number 18. Entrepreneurs usually aim to avoid risk, play it safe, solve problems, work 9 to 5. The correct option is solve problems. That is option C. Question number 19. Scalability in a business refer to reducing operation, increasing costs, ability to grow, hiring managers. The correct option is ability to grow. Question number 20. Cost of production includes sale taxes, inputs like labor and materials, discount, business name. The correct answer is input like labor and materials. That is option B. Question number 21. Revenue is the money spent, profit after tax, total income from sales, equipment value. The correct option is total income from sales. That is option C. Question number 22. Net profits equals revenue minus expenses. Option B, revenue plus expenses. Option C, revenue multiplied by tax, or revenue divided by cost. The correct option is revenue minus expenses. That is option A. Question number 23. SWOT stands for strength, weakness, opportunities and talents, targets, threats or trades. The correct option is threats. That is option C. Question number 24. A mission statement describes technical errors, business tools, purpose and value, partner details. Correct option is purpose and values. That is option C. Question number 25th. Which is a common reason startup fail? Overfunding, lack of ideas, poor market fit, too many customers. The correct option is poor market fit. That is option C. 26th question. One advantage of being an entrepreneur is guaranteed success, fixed income, independence, fixed working hours. The correct option is independence. That is option C. So these are the answer key. You can refer answers of the above questions, and if you have any doubt you can write me in comment. जी, जैसा कि आपको पता है कि मैं हर वीडियो के लास्ट में 2 चैलेंजेस क्वेश्चन देता हूं। इन चैलेंजेस क्वेश्चन को आप सॉल्व करें और मुझे कमेंट में बताएं और मैं फिर आपको रिप्लाई करूंगा। Challenging question number 1. Why is understanding your target market essential when developing a business plan? Option A is it helps design office space. Option B, it reduces production entirely. Option C, it informs product features, pricing, and marketing. Option D is it avoids hiring employees. Which one is the correct option? Please write me in comment. I will give you the answer. Challenging question number 2. Which statement best describes the concept of break-even analysis in entrepreneurship? It shows when the company earns profit before taxes. Option B, it calculates social media engagement. Option C, it identifies when total revenue equals total cost. Option D, it tracks only fixed expenses. Which one is the correct answer? Please write me in comment. स्टूडेंट, ये लास्ट चैप्टर था। इसके बाद जब आपके एग्जाम फिनिश हो जाए तो आप मुझे कमेंट में लिखें, कमेंट में बताइएगा। तो फिर इसके बाद हम क्लास 10th के सी स्टार्ट करेंगे और आपको डिटेल लेक्चर्स मैं प्रोवाइड करूंगा, लेक्चर नंबर 1 से लेके ऑनवर्ड्स जितना भी आपका सिलेबस होगा। तो आप लोगों की सपोर्ट चाहिए मुझे, और जो भी इस वीडियो को देखें प्लीज़ चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें और अपने दोस्तों के साथ शेयर करें और बी कनेक्टेड फॉर अपकमिंग वीडियोस। जज़ाकल्लाह खैर।